Step 1. Unbox the instrument and lay out all accessories on the table. Check the accessory list. Power line. Level. Standard glass panel. Koenig pendulum. Persaz pendulum. Step 2. Place the instrument on a vibration-free and stable testing platform. Step 3. Connect the power supply. Turn on the instrument power switch. Unscrew the emergency switch, and the screen instantly turns on. Step 4. Level. Click on Settings to enter the settings interface. Click on Level to enter the level adjustment interface. The circular dots on the interface indicate elevated points. The farther a dot deviates from the center, the greater the height difference it represents. Adjust the 4 leveling feet until the dot returns to the center. After the adjustment is completed, click on icon to return to the settings interface. Step 5. Zeroing the pendulum. Open the instrument's glass cover. Place the calibration glass panel on the center of the work platform from the side. Click K/P on the main interface to switch pendulum types and test modes. The triangular Koenig pendulum has a damping time of 250 ± 10 s with a 6-degree swing amplitude. The rectangular Persaz pendulum has a damping time of 430 ± 10 s with a 12-degree swing amplitude. Select the appropriate pendulum type as needed. After selection, insert the pendulum rod into the workstation from the instrument's side. Orient the arrow-marked side toward the instrument front, and secure both locating holes onto the platform's conical alignment pins. Close the window and wait for the pendulum to stop. Click the release button to raise the work platform. Check the position of the scale relative to the pendulum pointer. When the pendulum is stationary, its pointer should point to 0 on the scale. If it is not at 0, check again whether the instrument is leveled or whether the pendulum rod is bent during transportation. Note, the instrument should be calibrated when used for the first time or when its working environment changes. After inspection, click the NIP button. Once the platform has fully descended, remove the standard glass plate. Step 1. Template preparation. Recommend using a 100 by 100 by 5 mm metal plate or polished glass plate as the coating substrate. The substrate must be flat, rigid, and free from deformation, prepared in accordance with ISO 1514 for coating application. Test panels should be conditioned according to the conditions and time specified in the product standard, placing the dried panels in an environment of 23 ± 2 degrees C and 50% ± 5% relative humidity for at least 16 hours. Step 2. Click the K/P toggle on the main interface to select the corresponding test method. Step 3. Place the test plate with the coating side facing up at the center of the work platform. Close the window and wait for the pendulum to stop. Step 4. Click the Start button, and the current state of the instrument on the main interface will display. Then, the instrument will automatically lift the work platform to clamp the test panel. At this time, the swing rod is completely on the surface of the test panel. The instrument will automatically push the pendulum to the corresponding angle, release it for testing, and record the data. During the test, it is necessary to stop the test by clicking the Stop button. The instrument will stop the test and record the data. There is an error in the data this time, which is for reference only. Note, after manually stopping the test, wait until the pendulum swing reduces to the test end angle, or manually stop it, before proceeding, to prevent damage to the pendulum. After the test is completed, the main interface will display the final test data, and the instrument push rod will return to 0 position and release the test pane. Click Confirm to save the test data. Determine pendulum damping time on 3 different parts of the same test panel, record the each, and the mean of 3 determination to the nearest second. Step 5. Save date. Click on the settings icon, enter the settings interface. Click Data in the settings interface to view historical test data. After inserting the USB drive, click Export to export the data of the test date to the USB drive. Compare detailed data in the computer. After testing, place the pendulum on its stand to rest. Instrument operation completed.